What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a reaction to Diana's official single. No, this is a video that was done when she was like 14 years of age, and it's quite a very good song. I've seen a lot of people reacted to this, but I'm surprised that I'm not in that reaction bunch. So on this reaction, we're gonna react to Diana Ankudinova, Rechenka. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up with this particular song and what her performance will be like. And in fact, I'm literally exploring some of Diana's oldest videos back then and now, so I could know what her growth was like back then, now, and for the future to come. So let's see what's up. Peace.
Моя Rechenka, ты течешь.
This is very bewildering. Very bewildering. Okay. All right, I love it. I love this so far.
Да не улыбнешься. Ой, да ты дитя, да мое дитятко, да ты чего сидишь? Да не улыбнешься.
I can't believe she's 15 here. There's no freaking way she's 15. No, there's no freaking way she's 15, bro. This is so stunning.
Ой, подруженьки, да мои милые. Ой, да ничего-то мне радоваться. Ой, да ничего-то мне улыбаться. У нас коней-то полон двор.
Even though this is in Russian language, I'm not really understanding what's the language, but the voice, bro, the voice is a phenomenon. A force to be reckoned with, bro. Damn, she's good, bro.
Augustito, полна горница! Нет у меня отца матери, некому меня благословить-то.
Hey, hey. This is mind blowing. This is mind blowing. She's so properly composed. She's like a master of singing. I mean, like, I've heard her sing in so much voices, but this voice, I haven't heard this before, and it's shocking to hear it. Right? I mean, like, she's from the top to the middle Then the lower floor, bro. She's in control with her voice, bro. And this is a very, very superb and a well done singing. Bro, she's on point, bro.
Моя реченька, ты течешь, да не колыбнешься.
Freaking awesome, bro. Diana, bro. She's one of a kind. She's unique. She's peculiar. I mean, like, I haven't heard anyone sung in that voice before. This is the reason why she is winning, bro. 15-year-old? Bro, come on. She's doing a superb job, bro. A terrific job. Well, this is Diana we're talking of, right? I never expected nothing better from this female, right? At a tender age coming up, she's a superstar. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget, guys, to subscribe for more, leave a like on the video, and to share it to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.